We care so much about skin that we forget its essence. We love yellow bones, forgetting chocolate, caramel, and vanilla have the same essence. Well, personally, we think this could have been avoided, Mbali, by you not posting this in the first place. People are still very emotional about everything that is going on. They will take offense to everything, no matter how innocent it may seem to be.
And that was our entertainment report. Lapho khona sibuka tindzaba tabosaziwayo nebantfu labenta mhlawumbe tintfo letinyenti letfaka ekhatsi emafilimu mhlawumbe ngabe baya actor nato tonke nje tintfo letitsintsa bantfu labakuyo phela ikakhulu entertainment industry. Masotla mahle kulesikhathi lesike sengihletini emhlabeleli wakhona la ekhaya eSwatini sikhuluma ke nge-CD and DVD recording yakhe letawenteka mhla ka-30 kuyo inyanga lesetulu. Uthi ke nebakithi CD yakhe yesibili ngumcanco ngumaziya uthi ke unguskara ligama lakhe lasa stage. Angekuvusela maziya ngikwemukelele ehlelweni ku Breakfast Show.
Yes, siyaphila njani nini nje. Kakhulu naqala ngibingelele babukele emakhaya nema supporters ami la ngisupportile all the way ngizasuka from disc number 1 sengofika la.
Uzotofika kule yesibili namuhla. Asawutethule nje mcango kwekuthi wena unguskara maziya uqale nini futhi vele umusic uze uthi sowufike la khona khona.
Music ngiqale 2014 la ngirelease khona iCD yami lethi Mbonge nsuku zonke. Abantu abaningi bayathi ithi Mbonge Mbonge. Ngase ngihamba nayo libanga lelithi kakhulu yangifaka emashowini bo crossover la Swatini. Onke amashow cishe ngathi makhulu nga-attendile la Swatini. Ma-artist angisupporta and respond ngayithola yaba enkulu kakhulu emaswatini akithi ngiyabonga. Ligama lami ngosibongane ngwakamaziya Sibongo. But the state name sami nginguskara.
Okay, nguskara liqhamukani igama laskara?
Igama laskara is a nickname but ngalithola ngimncane kakhulu so ngakhula nalo lahamba laze lendlula leligama lami baba.
Okay, wagcina futhi ubona ukuthi ungalisebenzisa la ku music wakho. Now sitshela ngegospel lo ihlabelako ukuthi igospel lenjani mhlawumbe kude labanye bazalwane batawufa kahle.
Ngikholwa ngikhonda eZion Cornerstone Christian Church. But umusic wami lengihlabelako accommodate bonke abantu. Sithi yami nje lengiyoyilonja mhla ka-30 July lapha eMhlabovu kaMglitch Shopping Complex open space. Ifixturishe umpostoli Makulube afixturisha neSipelempilo Zwane.
Okay.
So angihlabelele emazayoni ngihlabelela abantu because the title of this album lesilonjako it's awuphindu zame impilo isaqhubeka. Ngihlethi ngisema ngihleli ngibuka ngathola ukuthi we lost more people ngokuthi ba lose ithemba. So kwabita ukuthi uNkulunkulu anginiketela amagama ukuthi ngibaniketela abantu lamagama lathi manje noma bese kwendekile konke sisi but impilo yona isaqhubeka.
Impilo yona isaqhubeka. Okay, no, that's really very nice. Lokusho ukuthi uthi wena awuhlabeli isiZion awuhlabelele emazayoni kodwa uhlabelela bonke abantu.
Wonke umuntu accommodate.
Kodwa umculo wakho usiZion.
No, awusisi Zion at all.
Oh, awusisi Zion at all. Kodwa unokhonde Zion. Oh, that's nice. I'd love to hear that actually. Okay, that's very nice. Lokusho ukuthi uthini nje mhlambe utabe ulontsha mhla ka-30 ulontsha iCD ne-DVD.
Mhla ka-30 ngilontsha le CD le fixturishe umpostoli Makulube naSipelempilo lethi awuphindu zame impilo isaqhubeka. Abantu abaningi sebanayo etandleni banginethe support lenkulu nje ngisahamba all over Swaziland.
Oh, uyayilonja ukuthi uyayishoota.
Ngiyayilonja ndabe sengishutha iDVD.
Oh, okay. Lokusho ukuthi seyatholakala vele titolo.
Seyatholakala seyihambile onke nje ma record bhala khona la Swatini.
Onke ma record bhala khona la Swatini. Uskara siyakubongela babe ukuthi ute ufike kakhulu kulesigaba lesofike kuso. iCD album yesibili bese ivele ikhona ititolo. Iyasukunyiswa kwamaswati lamahlenga lokusemthethweni kuleli viki lelanga yabona lamhla ka-30 nakuphela yona lenyanga kuthiwa lapha Mhlabubovu tabetibuya nebakithi uthi ke Skara kahlabeli sizayoni kodwa uliZion. I'd like to hear that seriously. Sawuthola sisama amaswati lamahle ukuthi sithola umusic wakhe Skara esidlalele bona babukeli bethu batawuva ukuthi Skara engabe ushaya kanjani kulesikhathi lesimaswati lamahle 9 minutes to 8 ngidawufuna ukuthi cross over to Rwanda ungathi kunabongani Mathebula elayinini nithathele yethukele namaswati lamahle lehambe nemhlonishwa Ndvunankulu sifuna nje kuva kakhulu kwekuthi engabe vele umhlangano uchubeka kanjani njengoba umsakato bewuvele Solomon ubika. Okay, ungasike sewusilahlekele elayinini lethu asithi gunye mathe sisalinga futhi kumthola maswati lamahle ningakhohlwa futhi ukuthi baka Edgars bathi ke kukhona nabafuna kusipha kona baphe babukeli bethu lokusho bona ukuthi wena hlala nathi kule mizuzwana lemncane nje lesele ukuthi seluvale luhlelo kusile. Good morning.
in once again. It is the biggest, the dopest, the illest entertainment show on your TV screens. It's TVD, baby. It's the big down and your boy out there.
I got broads in Atlanta, just to lean the family. Credit cards in the scammers, hitting the licks in the van. Legacies, family, wait and see, look like a panda. Going out like a Montana, honey killers on their hands. Legacies, family, wait and see, family. Pockets full, Danny, selling ball. Lean on the marching like Randy.
Take it off, stack.
I got broads in Atlanta, just to lean the family. Credit cards in the scammers, hitting the licks in the van. Legacies, family, wait and see, look like a panda. Going out like a Montana, honey killers on their hands. Legacies, family, wait and see, family. Pockets full, Danny, selling ball. Lean on the macho like Randy.
Welcome back to Kusile Breakfast Show. Thank you very much for being with us. We just had a great interview with an artist there who's going to be recording a CD as well as a DVD.
Yeah, he's actually launching. Hey?
Yeah, he's actually launching.
Yeah,
oh, okay. Nice. Interesting. Well, right now we're going to head on to Rwanda, where we're going to be talking to one of our journalists, Bongani Matsebula, who's actually there on the ground covering the Prime Minister's trip there. The Prime Minister is in Rwanda to actually be a part of the heads of government as well as state summit that's going to be taking place in Rwanda later this month.
Yeah, it's actually started, Xavier.
It's actually started. Oh, it's actually started. We have Bongani on the line. Babe Matsebula, sikubingelele sikumukele ehlelweni Kusile Professional namhlekuseni. Siyabonga kakhulu Matsebula, kumbe nje ungasichazela ngoba ireport lesigcina ngayo ukuthi Mvunankulu ufikile eRwanda, wafika waphepha wakhona ukuthi abonane naleli bandla libe selivele lihambe ngaphambi kwakhe, ukuthi ingabe simo sinjani nyalo njengoba asho nje nasiphethe sayibeka ukuthi uyachubeka lo mhlangano kumbe ngikuphi lesekuthinziwe lokubalekile lekufanele ukuthi kumbe silive kade leAfrica sonkana sikubuke.
Angibonga kakhulu ngibonga kusifihla nabukela emakhaya. Angifanye ngokusho ukuthi kakhama umhlangano uzawuqala lomusha wabaholi. Ngiyazi ukuthi besaba khona ibabe ukuthi
tekela lapho Bongani Matsebula nibakithi ngelishwa aniveka sangena kiyo indzaba sasabekile nje ukuthi umhlangano uyaqala namuhla, baholi bemave nabohulumende batawuhlangana bayikhulumise itindzaba letahlukahlukene letithinsa khona live kati leAfrica. Utakhumbula ke ukuthi inhlangano yebunye beAfrica inhlangano lebukela ukuthi live kati longhana leAfrica libe nekuthuthuka lithuthuke ngelizinga lelifanako. Kunemigoma leyahlukahlukene lenhlangano lenayo kufa ekhathi ukuthi live kati leAfrica likhone ukuthi lithengiselane lotfana. Utakhumbula ke ukuthi namuhla kumbe na ufuna kuya emaveni lafana nabo Gibhithe utawuqale uhambe uyawuvakasha undlule kubo Dubai undlule kubo France ungakafiki khona. Le nhlangano ke ithi cha asesende ukuthi nje sikhona ekutendela tinvo sikhona la sithuthukise umnotho wale live kati leAfrica lekuthiwa linothile.
Nembala lekuthiwa linothile Sevia ngoba utawubona ukuthi na ngabe ufuna ke Gibhithe nje ububalile ukuthi sekufuna ujike eDubai kusala ungakafiki khona eGibhithe. Kanti Gibhithe ikhona la nokusho bona ukuthi ngiletinye tinto lefanele ukuthi tinciphe ikakhulu kulo live kati leAfrica sikwati ukuthi sithengiselane siphinde futhi sichumane ngoba kukhulumisa ikakhulu indaba yokuchumana ekundiza ukuthi uyafika ngamanye emave ungakabuyila nanokuthi nje lentuthuko nayenteka Sevia yenteke lethine sonke sithuthuke kanye kube mhlawumbe labo lothola ukuthi bangemave lesolo kuthiwa lamave lawa aphuyile lamave lawa anesomiso boSomalia lamave lawa anendlala uyabona ukuthi kufuna ukuthi emave kati eAfrica nangaphasi kwayo lenhlangano lebunye ba-African Union kube ngemave mhlawumbe latawuthuthuka ngesivinini lesifanako kukhona i-message
Yeah, we just got a message from one of our viewers this morning who says that they would like for us to do them a huge favor ucela inombolo yamfundisi Phumelele lapha futhi nebakithi uyayidinga imatima kakhulu. Uthi gosh, I love your show. You're such a powerhouse, you guys. Okay. I'm watching KBS right now and double thumbs up.
Who is that viewer of ours?
Let me say their number. I'm not really sure who, but their number is 76321464. Maybe we can.
Inombolo yemfundisi Phumelele ithi 76253357. I just got it.
Yeah.
76253357. Umfundisi Phumelele sikhulume naye ngencwadi yakhe kakhulu nesihloko lesithi Jesu nje uyilegal tender elokusho ngona sithi Jesu ungiyo indlela leya kubabe ezulwini. Siyabonga kakhulu kuye umbukeli wethu lapho lebekafuna inombolo 76253357. Kunati pot date fuletinhle kakhulu sithi kuwe baka Edgar Masotlamahle. We are looking so desperate this morning because courtesy of Edgar Slagungibo mhlawumbe ngawuthi nje mina mhlawumbe basifundisa
asisitholele shoe cam because
ngoba nesangathi noma uyarida yini kuyavela inqa lapho
yeah, she wants her shoes shown because she's just been raving about these shoes. And when she saw them yesterday at Edgar's when we were actually picking out our clothes, she just said, these are the ones. These need to show. Yeah, because they got quite interesting. You know, they got detail that's quite interesting. Can we have our shoe cam here so that the viewers can actually see?
There you go. See what I'm talking about?
Yeah, what you were talking about.
Exactly. So you show your shoe.
Mine are nice, but you know, like the guy gentlemanly kind of stuff. You know, I don't really have a nice leg, so let's move on.
Yeah, so stay is allowed because she got the legs.
She got the legs.
You know.
Okay, we got Bongane on the line again. Let's just quickly round this up and find out what Bongane has to say to us this morning, basically about the EU summit that's starting today. Matsabula, sigmungele futhi ehlelweni kusiliphe for show.
Asibonga kakama sibonga ukuthi sibonga nabobukela emakhaya. Asipholisa ngalo kokujubeka i-network yethu lana ayisiyo lenhle kahle. Kodwa kwenye ngiyangigijimile ngafuna ukuthi kufanele ngihlale lapha egaleni lesihlahla ngifuna ukuthi ngiyithole kahle. Bengathi asivele singene kakama kuyindaba ukuthi ukuhlangana nabaholi ukubheka ukuthi uqale namuhla nge-retreat etawuba khona bese ukuthi kusasa kuqala yona le summit letawuphela lapha-ke ngeMsombuluko. Bekwentekile kwanyana ukuthi libandla lelembembili elifake ekhasini tonight angaphandle nalubambe-ke kuba malane lomkhulu esiko yesangaphandle siso msidi bangenele ngokubona umhlangano lekuqhubeka ikakhulu-ke wawo-ke ema-council of ministers bemathiko-ke asangaphandle mazenamo kukhulunywa-ke izindaba lesinyeni lapho bekulungiswa khona i-agenda yabo baholi lapho batawukhuluma ngani kuyo-ke i-main summit. Lokunye engakungifetha nalokunye ngeke sifuna ukukhuluma ngako ngingafetha ukuthi indaba lekubheka ukuthi bakhuluma ngako abaholi bawo emave lang-54 lama-member states e-AU kubheka ukuthi kukhulunywa ngendaba yemkhetho ngawathi ukuthi isikhathi sayo-ke i-commission leholwa nguDr. Nkosazana Dlamini-Zuma elonke nazo esifundeni ngaminyaka wa-2012 esifika-ke emaphethelweni lokusho ukuthi-ke nale-chairperson deputy wakhe kanye nema-commissioners ema-portfolio lang-8 kumele ukuthi-ke bakhethwe. Kunendaba-ke ukuthi bachubeke yini nelukhetho noma lumiswe kuphinde livulwe kabusha ukuthi kunconywe nabanye ngoba ngathi abasibula abaningi kahle labangeneleni lona leli khetho lwakhe i-chairperson, deputy chairperson kanye nema-commissioners.
Lapho Mathebula ngemsawe Nkosi sibonge kakhulu ukuthi usichazele kakhulu kade ngoba vele liphuzu lelibaleke kakhulu lelo lalo likhetho ukuthi litawuchubeka kanjani ngesikhathi ke sithembe ukuthi ingcoco yethu sitawuchubeka sibe nayo nangemsombuluko nato indaba lotasilethela dona ngiyathemba ukuthi ditashwamba kanya cishe kongani. Siyabonga besikhulumisana lapha nensatheli yethu Bongani Mathebula lo seRwanda kungimanje njengoba sikhuluma ukuchuba uthatha wona lo mhlangano bukhoma njengoba uchubeka asilethele abuye khona nawo la ekhaya.
Kunjalo Masotlamahle Ntawathe yosomsakazo weSwazi TV ukhona la kona lokho ukuthi unatise ukuthi kuchubekani khona even la kangwane nangephandle phela lapho khona uthola ukuthi emakhosi